Socialism is the greatest killer of humanity in human history. How about that, right? So I say this, and how many people have heard this before? Oh, no, it wasn't tried properly. Anyone hear this before? You know, it wasn't the right version of socialism. Okay, bucko. You know, I always respond, I say, so USSR, you know, what would you have liked to have seen different? Oh, you know, workers owning the means of production, right? That's their big thing. Well, they had free school, free roads, free food. They just had no food, no schools, and no roads. And everyone was equally poor and dead, and only 45 million people died towards the wonderful pursuit of egalitarianism.